பேர் ஆரா. உன் கல்யாணம் மச்சராசன் பேத்தி. I'm here to support my grandfather. I see him work every day. Even on Sundays, he is out there serving you because your needs are his top priority. He's a man of action. He has transformed our area with powerful schemes and facilities, ensuring that every benefit reaches the people who need it most. He never stops. Proud the craft service is his way of life. I'm so proud of his dedication. So I humbly ask you all to support my grandfather and vote for Udayasuriyan. Yattatakku support கொடுங்க. உதயசூரியனுக்கு vote போடுங்க.